Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, chrome door handle inserts, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 24,276 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.